In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a tech house inside of Riffusion AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to where you will generate your music. You can either select prompt or compose, but for this tutorial I'm just gonna choose the prompt because you can be more detailed with how your music is gonna sound like. So let's create some tech house. I'm gonna start with putting some house music because it is house music, and then of course tech house. Then we're gonna add it. It needs to be smooth. We need to have some synth pads, some bass synth, of course, and we need it to be 4x4 and about 120 to 125 beats per minute. Then from here you can click generate, and Riffusion will create two versions of this prompt. We can take a look at them, how this is gonna sound like when they're done generating. And now for the second one. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!